I hope you are doing well. UP asked me, I am also good. Friend, if you thinking about me, what are you doing here, then I will tell you. I am cooking my food. Bhendi, bhujia and roti. So I am preparing my food to myself. And this is a Bangalore tool area. Friend, many times before I try to speak English, but I can't. I try to speak English, but I can't. So friend, do you know why I am not able to speak English with anyone? You don't know. I don't know how to speak English, and I try many times before how to speak English, but I can't. Do you know what is the reason behind it? Because lack of practice. Yes friend, lack of practice. I can't speak English till today, and it will take too much time more. Yes friends, it will take too much time more, then I will become English a speaker. I am not sure about it. That is, I am good English speaker become one day. Yes, I am not sure, because if I practice every day and every day my friend, all of these things, then one day I become English speaker. But if I only thinking about when will I learn English, when will I learn English, then how to possible this? Tell me, is this possible? Not. Only I am thinking about when I will reach one day, when I will reach one day. So is this possible? No. There will have to do hard work to till you become you rich man. Without hard working, nothing possible, anything. Thinking is nothing, everything. Yes friends, only thinking is not possible to everything. Yes, you can see here, this is my atta, Ashirwad atta. This is toll tax, Bangalore toll tax. There is no entry to heavy vehicle to Bangalore city. That's why I stay here. I will go after 9 PM to Bangalore city, because my vehicle load is Bangalore to Kolkata, and today is first day, and with me 2 more vehicles beside me, they also parked there. They cook bhendi bhujia and I will cook chapati, right? So I am doing this. Friend, many times before I try to speak English, but I can't. I can't, bro, I can't. Then I feel very boring. Oh my God, it is not my cup of tea. I can't do. I will not able to speak English. Nothing to my capacity to speak English. Lots of things comes in my mind again and again. But I never give up. I never give up. And I never give up next step also. One day I speak English very well. This is my purpose. But I am not sure. I am not sure about it. So let's see how much time it will take to become fluent English speaker. I will try every day. Whenever I free, I will try. So what is my hard working? If you want to know about it, then I will tell you. Whenever I free, I start English conversation, English new channel in English, a story. And after hearing all of these things, I thought somewhere I understand and somewhere is a word meaning problem. There is a word meaning problem. Then what will I do? I can't do anything there because I am very busy person. I have to drive it entire day to my vehicle. Then how will I check what is meaning and what is it Hindi meaning? So I can't check to my phone properly to dictionary. So whatever I understand, and whatever I don't understand, leave it. I leave it. Don't worry. I will understand next time. And same conversation I listen every time again and again. So I understand something, and I am new here, so it will take more time, bro. It will take more time. This is not my mother tongue. This is foreigner language. No any my friend speak this language, so there will be too much time for learning this language. Because if I learn something, I never use anywhere. Because no anyone know about this language. If I speak somewhere, then that person reply me, oh, you thinking yourself doing English man. You don't know anything about English and you think yourself English man. That I feel very embarrassed. I feel shy and I convert suddenly my speak when Hindi version, and I think I should not speak anywhere in English because another person thinking about me something bad. So this type of thinking comes in my mind. So if I learn something, I never use anywhere. I can't able to use anywhere. Yes, friends. And I can't able to use anywhere. Then 2-3 days later I am forget. I have forgot everything, whatever I learned. Then how to possible to become fluent English speaker? There is a lot of barrier comes in front of my become English speaker or a good speaker. Lots of barrier. When I want to break this barrier, but where and how? No one support me for speaking English. So how to possible this? So friend, you can see here I am alone, no one in front of me, no one beside me. I'm alone here. I always alone here inside my vehicle. So I start my video, my own camera, and I started my own thought, whatever I thinking about in my mind, and I shoot video. And after that, after shooting my video, I will check here will I did mistake and what type of mistake I did while my English speaking, right? So I want to check myself, that's way I shoot this video, and there is no another reason, only this reason. So that's why I shoot this video. I am a student to myself, and I am also teacher also to myself. Yes. And whoever good a speaker, they also learn English this way. Yes. And some people, his parents also may be good a speaker. That's why they learn very fast, because his language only English, not another language. So my old friend in Hindi medium, and some people ask me if I speak somewhere English, is you are belong to South area or what? You are speak English, something like that. You are belong to South area. Nothing, bro. I belong to Hindi in East area. But why you speak English? You are thinking very smart yourself or what? Oh my God, I am nothing like that, bro. I only try to speak English because everywhere is not Hindi comfortable. So that's why I learn English. If I go Chennai, there is a Hindi problem. They know Tamil, they don't know Hindi, and I don't know Tamil. Then how will communicate each other? So that's why I want to learn English and I want to speak English, right? If I come this area, Bangalore area, here all people talking Kannada. Some people know Hindi, some people do not know Hindi. Then how will possible to communicate each other? So that's why I want to speak English and I want to learn English, right? So friend, many state in our country and different language also, and every language not possible to learn in one person without going any coaching or classes, right? So how to possible this without any coaching or classes in all language? No possible. So if you want to learn one language, then you can somehow learn in that language name is English, because English is everywhere, not only one state. This is international language. So I choose this language for communicate each other, because I have to move another state. But whenever I try to speak English, I know if I try or if I speak with him in English language, then think about me, oh, he want to speak English, in thinking about himself very smart. But some people reply me in very politely way. They also, if they also know English, then they will reply English very well. And there is nothing talking long way, because I have not any work with him. Then how to possible this long way to talking? I ask him only address. I accept only something like that. If I go some shop, I asked him what is the price of these things. then they reply me. Yes, and something like that to my conversation to a starting point. And if I become one day a good speaker, then I will speak something better way, right? So my atta is complete to make roti. Yes, I want to start my fan. Yes, start fan. So friend, if you want to speak English, then you have to do one thing. First, you have to listening English conversation, English story every day, and you have to practice with yourself to speaking yourself. Whatever you learn, you have to speak. As you can see me, I am speak this type. I am not comfortable for this language, but I want to try. And to be honest, I understand something, but lack of money, I have not extra time, so that's why it will take more time to learning English. Friend, I am going to start cooking chapati or roti, whatever you call in your language. So I am busy right now. If I say anything about chapati or anything, then mobile is far away from here, so there will be no go my voice clear. So I am going to stop this video right now because you can see here I am busy. I will meet you some other day for some other video, right? I have to cook food myself because here is no any hotel nearby this tool, so that's why I have to cook. You can see here chapati is ready. See, this is chapati, roti. There is your guys in tawa, and this is Ashirwad atta 1 kg for 3 person, and I will check. Yes, tawa is hot. Tawa is totally hot. So I want to put there. Yes, gas is fast. I want to slow. Yes, bro. I have to roll some other roti. So friend, I will meet some other video some other day because today I am busy right now. Because gas is very fast. Oh my god, roti is burn. Roti will be burn if I waste any hair time because gas is very fast. Gas is very fast. Oh my god, how to do now? Oh my god. This is truck driver life, bro. This is truck driver life. If you think this life is good, then good. If you think this life is bad, then bad. Whatever thing about this life, there will be suitable. Yes, bro. Everything is suitable for this life. Yes, bro. Yes. You can see my second roti. You can see. This is round figure, right? And here is. Oh my god. चिपक गया. अरे यार फिर चिपक गया. उठाओ. चिपक गया क्या? चल गया. Okay, because rice is very fast. That's why this roti is attached by tawa, right? I think this is not. My God, this is fast. I have to slow. Oh my God, not good roti. I will check some other roti. I will show you some other, because this is your first roti. So that's why this is not good. I will show you some other. Roti. If I cook something mess, then my friend who is behind me, they will scold me. Why you cook this type of roti? So that's why I have to make proper, because two more friend in this company who is driving in this vehicle, that friend make bhujia, bhindi bhujia, ladies finger bhujia, and they told me please make proper, otherwise that's where I have to do something better than this, right? Yes, friend. Let's see this roti. Let's see this roti. What will happen this roti? I will check. Yes, this is good. Yes, bro. You can see this is good roti. Oh my God. You can see this is very good roti. Oh my God. This is very hot. This is very hot roti. My God. Thank you, friend, to giving me valuable time for this video. So please forgive me if I say anything wrong. Then I will learn. Thank you. I am going to stop this video. Thank you, bro. Brother, I forgot one thing to telling you, and that thing is that if you're thinking about me, what is my qualification and where I from, then I will tell you. I want to introduce to myself. I am from Kodarma, Jharkhand, and as far as concerned my qualification, then I completed my graduation in 2015. That time I tried to many times, tried to government job, but there are no selecteds. Because if you not completed to competition, then you will not found any job. Certificate is not enough for government job. there will be practice and you have to pass your third routine, third, second and third. First, second and third. Right. I am busy right now, bro, so I can't speak long time. Please forgive me.